where you taught for several years. In 2016, you were appointed to the Diocese of Miri in Sarawak, Malaysia. After many years in formation work, you opened yourself to parish ministry, where you experienced the unique joy of being close to people and to families. Learning a new language was a challenge for you, but it did not deter you from reaching out and ministering to the people in the longhouses, hospitals, and distant villages. Long before completing your 10-year term in Malaysia, you showed your willingness to go where the need is greatest and your openness to the needs of the society. Then, in the spirit of obedience, you accepted to be part of the formation team in our second cycle formation in Nairobi, Kenya. You accompanied so many students in our formation houses in Dublin, Iloilo, Jinja, St. Joseph's College, Mill Hill, and Nairobi. Many of these students have now become lifelong members of the society and are currently serving in various mission areas around the world. As you look back on the 40 years of your mission and ministry, you can surely be grateful for the many people God has been able to touch through your life, example, dedication, and brotherly presence in Uganda, Ireland, the UK, the Philippines, Malaysia, and Kenya. As you celebrate this extraordinary journey, on behalf of the society, we extend our deepest gratitude for the love, kindness, and dedication, as well as guidance you have shared with those in your care. Your 40 years of selfless service are a testament to your unwavering commitment in following Jesus, the Lord of the vineyard. May the future continue to bring you joy as you carry forth your mission in accompanying our students in their missionary discernment. Ad multos annos. Michael Cochran signed, Jerry Hesty signed, Philip Adede signed, Bernie Luna signed. A round of applause.